Good morning, good afternoon, whatever time it is that you are watching this video. Today we're going to be still looking at tens and ones, but with different types of numbers. What do all these numbers that I've written above have in common? 20, 30, and 50. What do you see that is the same in all of these? If you said a 0, you are correct. Where is that 0 though? Is it in the tens place or is it in the ones place? It's in the ones place. So we are going to check out how we represent these numbers. So they all have different values in the tens place, a 2, a 3, and a 5, but they all have zeros in the ones places. So we're going to represent these numbers. If I have a 0 in my ones place, I know that I'm going to have 0 units by themselves, 0 ones. So I know that I'm going to quickly be able to show these numbers by drawing bundles of 10 or using dimes. So I'm going to use my marker today to show how we would represent these numbers. If I have two groups of 10, I know that the first group of 10 would be 10 and the second group of 10 would be 20. So we'd have 10, 20. Did I correctly show the number 20? I did. So now I know that I have two groups of 10, and how many ones do I have? I have 0. Boys and girls, it is so important that you include that 0, because if you forget it, it does not show the right number. If I were to just write 2, that would be a different number than if I included my ones, which would be 20. So please make sure that you do not forget that 1. If there's something in the tens place, there has to be something in the ones place. Alright, our next one, we're going to draw our 10 rod. I know I'm only going to be drawing groups of 10 because there's 0 in my ones place. So I have 10, 10, 10. What number is in my tens place? 3. So I know I'm going to have to draw 3 bundles of 10. So 10, 20, 30. Did this get me to my number 30? Absolutely. So what must I not forget in my ones place, everybody? A 0. So we have 10, 20, 30.
Yep.
Lastly, we have the number 50. Well, easily we can see that there is a 5 in our tens place and a 0 in our ones place. So if I have 5 in my tens place, I'm going to put a 5 and I'm going to draw 5 bundles of 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. But I cannot forget that 0 in my ones place. So I've got 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 represented by 5 tens, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 0 ones. Now on your own, I want you guys to show me the numbers 60, 80, and 90. Please let me know if you have any help. Do it by drawing your tens and making sure you have your T-charts for tens and ones.